Hey there, how's it going everybody? In this video, we want to talk about how to define a matrix like this in Python. So this is a matrix and we want to define this matrix as an example in Python. So first of all, we are importing numpy package as np. When I say as np, I mean we are defining an alias name for this numpy package, and that alias name is np. There it is. And remember, numpy is not a built-in package, so if you want to use it, you should install it first. There it is. So we have imported numpy as np. Then we say np.array because remember that a matrix is a two-dimensional array. So remember this note. A matrix is a two-dimensional array. So we say np.array and we open a square bracket. Then for more readability, we press enter and we define our rows of matrix respectively. For example, the first row is 2, 5, 7, and the second row is 1, 2, 3, and the third row is 7, 8, 2. There it is. And here we print, and let's say we are storing this stuff, I mean a two-dimensional array, I mean the matrix, in a variable, let's say called a, and then we print this a variable. And if we run the code, you can see there it is. Here's our matrix, and here's our matrix, which you can see here. So in order to define a matrix in Python, you should define a two-dimensional array in Python programming language. In future videos, we will talk about the summation of matrices, the multiplication of matrices, the determinants of the matrix, the inverse of a matrix, and such other things. So please make sure to subscribe for more videos in Python and data science in this channel. Thank you for watching.